How to buy shares of Dominion Energy Inc. is the topic of this short tutorial. Dominion Energy is a U.S. electricity and natural gas utility listed on NASDAQ under the ticker D, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker D to find Dominion Energy. Select the result that shows the NASDAQ listing to open the correct stock page. On the stock page, review the company summary and the live price chart to confirm the asset. Make sure the symbol is D and the exchange reads NASDAQ so you are on the right listing. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm to submit. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading resumes. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will ask you to add money before final confirmation. After the purchase, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A gentle reminder, the link to eToro is available in the description if you want to explore the platform.